All right. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Welcome to the 60-Minute Trader webinar. This webinar is about trading futures for lifetime of steady income. Before I get started, statutory disclaimer. Trading or futures trading involves risk. Individual performances vary. There is no guarantee in trading as to the outcome that everyone will be successful. So having said that, let's get started. So this presentation is about Sliver Bullet Trading System developed by Sliver Trades. This system, we believe, could be path to your financial freedom. And that financial freedom, we'll see if it can be achieved in 60 minutes by spending only 60 minutes every day. I'm Rao K, the founder of Sliver Trades and also the architect of Sliver Bullet Trading System. We are a company based in Chicago, Illinois. Before I get started, I want to give you some background here. Sliver Bullet Trading System consists of three items. One is trading strategies, or the education of on trading strategies. Second is trading automation using our software Sliver Bullet Pro. And third is the funding accounts, so that you don't have to risk your own money, own capital. So the strategies, the automation, the funding, three parts are included in the system. Now, regarding this strategies, you can watch our previous webinars. We have covered the overall business model in very detail. You can look up YouTube for Sliver Bullet Trading System, and you will find the videos of the entire business model. Sliver, the education on strategies we cover through Sliver Trades Academy, and the automation is through Sliver Bullet Pro software. So today, I'm going to give you a demo of Sliver Bullet Pro software, which people are mostly interested in. And every week in this webinar, I take the previous day's data and show you the demo of the software and show you how it makes money. So every week I take previous day's data, that is Friday's data at the market open, which is 8:30 a.m. Central, and I run the software and try to see how much profit it generates. Usually we target for $1,000 or $2,000, and we put that in the context of the business model. So here is the chart for NASDAQ futures, and I'm using special Orenco bars here. These are special type of bars, and which has fixed length, fixed height of 20 points. 20 ticks. And I'm going to load the software here. So this is the software that I'm going to use for our trading. And here there are different settings like ATM 1, ATM 2, ATM 3. Different settings are there. These settings are basically tell the software as to how many contracts to use. Like ATM 1 uses 1 contract, ATM 2 uses 2 contracts, ATM 3 uses 3 contracts. And each ATM has its own profit and loss parameters. So ATM 1 would close will place a trade and then close if it achieves 8 ticks of trade, 8 ticks of profit. ATM2 places order of 2 contracts and closes each contract at certain number of ticks. And ATM3 places order for with 3 contracts. Here we can define max loss parameter. I'm going to increase it to 2,500, and I'll make the profit target also high, $2,000, and we'll try to see if the software achieves profit target of $2,000. And this is not how we trade every day. We do not set this higher target, but for this presentation, this demo, I'm going to take a higher target and see if the software can achieve it. Now, here the colorful bar is the user interface of the software. So here you see ATM1, ATM2, ATM3. You can select one of them. And then these are automated long and short buttons. And these pink buttons are the strategy buttons that you apply. So there are like 5 or 6 strategies in combination of in various combination of these pink buttons. And there is stop button if the trade goes against you. You can stop it manually even before the software stops it automatically. And there is manual buy and sell button as well. And then we have a Heikinashi button. So Heikinashi button is, it changes the character of the bars to Heikinashi, which in Renko chart it's not very visible because Renko charts and Heikinashi are kind of similar. So here you can get an idea of Heikinashi bars a little bit. But I'll not go into that in detail here. And then scale in. Scale in is for you to come out of a trade or add to a winning trade, so automatically. And then there is aggressive mode, and default is defensive mode. So today I'm going to show you a demo. I have set the market to yesterday's open, which is 8:30 a.m. Central. We are in Chicago, so we use Central Time. We are in Central Time Zone. And 10/4 was yesterday, October 4th. And I'm going to use playback data, yesterday's data, to show you how the software would have performed if it was turned on at that time on NASDAQ instrument. So here I'm going to take both long and short trades. This is not usually how we are supposed to trade. It's a discretionary trading software. A monitoring is required. It's not automated bot. By no means we claim it to be an automated bot which can take trades and make you consistent profit. You need to apply knowledge, use judgment, you understand market's characteristics before deciding what strategy to use and what direction to trade. But here, since it's a demo, I'm going to want to show you the power of this software. So I'm going to take both long and short, try to be as hands-free as possible. And I will allow scale in, and I'll go aggressive in my trading. So here is the timer. I turn it on. And before that, this was yesterday's close. Yesterday's close here, and market opened here. If you see some bars here, market opened here at high. And so I expect market opened quite like 200, more than 200 points higher than yesterday's close. It's a big high. So I expect market to kind of slightly slide down and fill this gap. Usually gaps are filled, and big gaps will definitely fill. If the market had opened somewhere here, I would have been more comfortable. But regardless, this demo is not about the strategies, so it's about the software, and I just want to let it take both long and short trades. So I will just turn it on and see what trade it takes. Let me, okay, so hopefully it will be better visible that way. So let's see if we get a trade here.
Or target filled.
So an order was placed, 2 contracts were placed, and 1 contract got closed immediately. So it happened so fast, in less than a second it happened. And we got profit. We don't know how much, but we did get some profit because one trade got closed. And let's see if what the other one does. We see the profit here.
Target filled.
So here you go. It made $131 of profit. Profit got closed. Trade got closed. $131 of profit. Here, $131 of profit. So in less than a minute, we have $131 of profit. So I will let it run.
Order filled.
So one more long
Target
trade this
filled.
time.
Order filled. Target filled.
And this is about $48 of profit in this trade. So scaling happened, if you had noticed.
Target filled. Target filled.
So this time again, $131 of profit.
Order filled. Target filled.
So this time scaling happened and about $60 of profit, 63. So we are
Order filled.
$354.
Target filled.
Now $491.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So here I want to show you that scaling happened, meaning after taking a short trade, the market went against us. And so the software automatically added additional contracts and moved the target to break even so that it can come out of this losing trade as quickly as possible. So let's see if we get break even close here. I'm going to increase the speed of the playback so that we get through the trades.
Target filled. Target filled.
So that got closed, and another trade also got placed
Target
here.
filled.
So we are total $911 from 13 trades.
Order. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So $111,100.
Target filled.
So far it's hands-free.
Order filled. Target filled.
This is not how we trade, but
Target filled.
this is to show you
Order
how
filled. Target filled.
the software takes trades. And if you combine it with the knowledge of the
Target
strategies, market conditions, then your success probability increases.
Order. Target filled. Target filled.
Not that this trading
Order
is not
filled.
successful, but we cannot expect this kind of
Order
results
filled.
every day.
Order
That's the
filled.
point. So with education, you become consistent.
Target filled.
So we are close to our target
Order
of
filled.
$2,000.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
So it's a couple of break-even
Target
trades here.
filled. Target filled.
So now we reach the target of $2,000, and we get the message total profit target reached and trade buttons disabled. So now even if we let the software run, it will not take any more trades because the profit target has been reached. So this is how we trade using the software. And now going back to the presentation, this system, Sliver Bullet Trading System, is about um, making money consistently by spending only an hour every day. So I'm going to breeze through some of these because I have covered it many times in the past, and I would invite you all to join our YouTube channel and watch the videos where I have covered this business model in detail, and how we achieve financial freedom. So business model I have explained in terms of costs and income, and here in my hypothesis I take consider only $50 per day trading 1 hour, and I have just shown that the software took $2,000, made $2,000. But in the business model assumption, I assume only $50 per day, and which means $1,000 per month. And then how we can scale this number, increase this number 10 times just by trading parallelly in multiple funded accounts. There are companies that offer funded accounts, and these are all the costs if somebody wants to get into trading. But we found a way to eliminate this cost to 1/10, by using other people's money, and we have discounted the education and the whole package so much that just under 5,000 people can get to trade and make $10,000 or more in income every month. So you can watch previous videos and learn about this business model. So there are futures trading is what we focus on, because futures market is open 23 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. And what I just showed you was NASDAQ futures, NQ, and traded with that. And how you a little bit about the details of this business model. How you go about is that you open an account with NinjaTrader, and you install our software on the platform, NinjaTrader platform, and then you sign up for a funded trading account, evaluation account, and pass that account. The software assists in passing the account, and then after passing the account, you obtain a paid trading account. Basically, you are eligible to convert your evaluation account to a paid trading account. And once you have done that, you repeat process steps 3, 4, and 5, and build a portfolio of funded accounts. And that's when you are able to multiply your income. So these are all the features of the software. It can trade in trending market, reversing market, sideways market. It has automated scale in, scale out, real-time performance monitoring, funding, training, live demos, all that's included in the system. So here we talk about different market conditions, and what market condition to be avoided, and what market condition to be traded with what kind of strategy. We teach all that in our academy, Sliver Trades Academy, once you join. And we explain in my previous webinars as to why to avoid certain types of market. That's market condition number 4. So I'm not going to go into detail here today. I'll focus mostly on the demo, and I'm going to give you one more demo. So this is the market DNA picture, which we use for our education and understanding market structure. And then I gave you a demo of the software, and the software comes at a retail price, which I'm going to show you. So here, before I show you the price, it is the business model. We have eliminated the cost of most of the costs and brought the overall cost below $5,000 for trading education, the software, and funding, which is subscription based. And you can trade simultaneously in 10 accounts, 20 accounts, and multiply your income. Even if you make $50 or $100 per account per day, you don't have to make $2,000. You don't have to go that far. And here is how you see the results. Even if you target only $100 an account and you trade across multiple accounts, you can make a decent living. Some days are not as good as other days, so you trade fewer accounts on those days, target a smaller profit, and you can still make a decent amount of money. The software helps you like training wheels or guide rails in a bowling alley. So once you have learned your skill, perhaps you won't even need the software. You can just do things without it. So that's the time you graduate from being a scalper to swing trader. This software is mainly for scalping, for day trading, but it's also a training ground to become a swing trader. Here's some example of the certificate that the funding provider gives you once you pass an evaluation, and these are all the evaluations that we have passed in our own company. So this kind of evaluations, you get you can take a 50K account or 250K account and pass these evaluations. Now the decision time. So you may ask if this is for you. This is not a get rich overnight scheme. So you can ask if how to decide whether Sliver Bullet Trading System is right for you. So you have to ask if it's not for you if you have a safe job for life. It's not for you if you have a source of huge passive income. It's not for you if you are happy with your current financial situation and your future, because happiness is state of mind, and without money, financial freedom, people can be happy. So if that's you, then Sliver Bullet Trading System is not required. But you definitely need it if you want to control your financial future by spending only 60 to 90 minutes a day. So now your options are to drop it, maybe because it's not, you are not able to connect to it, you do not want to do trading, you want to do something else is your passion, you can drop it. Or delay it, you can come back after a month or two or a year and revisit it, but delaying it will only delay your opportunity to become financially free. All this I taught you can be done by anybody without our assistance. You can figure it out yourself, but for a small fee, it will help you jumpstart your journey, because for us it took years to figure it out ourselves. So with help, you can do it in maybe a couple of months, instead of waiting for years and losing your own money. Or you opt for some other trading program instead of ours, but we haven't seen a single program in the market where they teach everything. They provide everything like education, automation software, and funding, all three in one place. So the best option for you is to go for Sliver Bullet Trading System. If that's you, then here is the retail price: Sliver Bullet Pro for $6,000 and Sliver Bullet Lite for $4,000 before the discounts. And this comes with software, with training and support and funding accounts. So we offer 30% discount on Sliver Bullet Pro. All our customers have purchased Sliver Bullet Pro, and that price comes to 4,200, and you get access to Sliver Trades Academy and weekly group training and support. Now, those who want to take advantage of the offer by tomorrow, so we have this silver lining offer till tomorrow. We also give you a free 50K evaluation account, and we are going to offer you a free Bitcoin trading strategy when we launch it. And you can start your journey by visiting slivertrades.com and using this coupon launch30. So you go visit slivertrades.com here, click on software, and it will take you to the software. Select Sliver Bullet Pro, select buy now, and then you add this to cart. After adding it to the cart, you view cart, and you check out, and you can check out as a guest. And here the coupon, we have to see what's happening here. I think coupon has expired, but we'll re-enable it. So you'll get this for $4,200. And once you purchase it, you'll get a welcome email and you'll receive access to Sliver Trades Academy, which will guide you as to how you can set up your Ninja Trader platform, how you can download the software, and from there you can start your journey. And we'll also send you a training schedule. So going back to the presentation, if you want to see the demo of the software again, I'm going to run the demo again, and I will reload the script here, reload the script, and since I have traded for a bit, I see that the market has been coming down a bit. So here, so it's kind of going down here. It's making lower lows slightly whatsoever. So this time I'm going to use the same ATM, and instead of risking any money that I have already made, in the previous session I will use short trade, only one direction I will trade. I'll apply the same contrarian strategy, and I'll try to scale in aggressive mode and see if it can make $2,000 again. So
order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So this was a break-even trade, so only $3 because uh, there was a scale-in and break-even exit.
Order filled. Target filled.
This time $136.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
$2,000 so far.
Order
And see, it's only half an hour. And this is the second round of demonstration. So first round finished in 20 minutes. Now again in 15 minutes we have made $1,200.
Target filled. Order target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So we reached $2,000 profit again. So this is basically to show you the power of the software, how it takes trades. 2000 this is the second time. So it's only 9:08, and in 40 minutes, less than 40 minutes, it made $2,000 twice. It is $4,000 in about 38 and a half minutes. So less than 40 minutes, $4,000. So this is how this software takes trades. And going back to the presentation, hope you understood how it works. And again, I want to mention here, this is not just about the software. This is Sliver Bullet Trading System. The system comprises of software, the education, and the funding accounts. So many times people ask me, "Oh, can I get the software for a demo? For a trial?" And I tell them, just by using software, you won't make money. You need to understand the whole thing here that we are going to teach you. And of course, software helps big time. But just by using software, if I give you for trial, you will perhaps fail half the time, and you'll lose faith in this. And there is no point believing that software will do the magic, because it cannot. It won't. So there is no trial, but we are doing this webinar day promo. So we are going to give 40% off to those who are interested in this software. It's available only for $3,600. and you get lifetime license of the software for one computer. You get the complete education on market condition and how to apply different strategies, automated strategies of the software in those market conditions. And we'll help you sign up for funded accounts, which are subscription based, so that you pay subscription for it and you can purchase as many as 20 funded accounts from the funding provider. So if you have any questions, again, this deal, for this deal, you have to email us or call us or SMS us to get the code for this deal. This code we don't make public. So let us contact us at info@slivertrades.com or call us at 331-255-3656 to learn more about this system, and also to get the code, a special code to make the purchase. So thank you very much for joining, and you all have a great rest of the weekend. Bye now.